Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. So as y'all can see, I'm all dolled up. But that's only because I'm here meeting my girl at KOP. We're gonna have a little self-care day, a little shopping day, because I need it. Like, I'm always working and I never really shop. So I am going to shop for myself, and yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to shop for myself, and I hope that this be a real good, cool, chill day. You know, I do have to go to work tonight, but I don't have to work at my day job because this is my long weekend. And if you don't know what a long weekend is just basically, you know, I have Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, and I go back Monday. But I do have to go to my night job tonight. And is that her car? Damn, how'd she get a close parking like that? But yeah, so damn, like, really? It's not really no like close parking. Like, what, she got a handicap sticker? I'm convinced that she got a handicap sticker. But I'm gonna just have to go around. Anyway, back to the story. So I'm just gonna take y'all shopping with me. We're gonna go and look at a couple stores, and we're going, you know, see what I like, see what I don't like. I'm definitely gonna buy myself something, and I definitely want y'all to come along because I told y'all I'm going to take y'all with me everywhere. Like, I'm showing y'all different angles of myself. Oh my God, I'm at the park really far. I don't like this shit. No, I don't like it. I don't like when I have to park really far. It's just, no. Oh, this is still really far, but at least I would know where my car is at. That's for sure. So, yeah. This way? Oh, yeah. You're cute too. Look at this one. Sit out here, or you want to go inside?
Hey, y'all better subscribe. What is it? Like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. You just push that button. Do. Stop playing with your girl. Don't be watching for free. Be watching for free.
Even this bitch is wearing red bottoms. Today I'm proud of myself because I actually did buy myself a pair of shoes. And I'm planning on wearing these bad boys with a nice, tight fitted dress. And I just already see the environment that I'm going to be in when I wear these. Like, it's going to be very sexy. And I did buy myself some perfume because I had to get me some Valentino. It's one. that I really liked so much, and I ran out. And when I went to go get a bigger bottle, they didn't have it, so I got another one, which is still Valentino, but I think it's called Intensity. Don't quote me on the name, but just know it smells the fuck good. And now I'm here picking up my son because, you know, I'm still a mother at the end of the day. And then I'm gonna take him home, hang with him for a little bit. Then I'm gonna go from looking like this until about 6 o'clock tonight. And I'm gonna transform into a whole worker. Like, I still have to work at Walmart tonight. You know, enjoy all of this right here because I have to go to work tonight. And yeah, I'm tired as fuck. Hey guys, so I am back and it is 6:20 and it is time for me to go to my night job. I am so tired. Like, I knew I should have took a nap, but I didn't. And now your girl is paying that price. So I'm just gonna take this lipstick off my face. I couldn't take it off when I was in the house. Well, I could have took it off, but once I had laid down and got into my bed, it was a wrap. Like, I was comfortable. When I'm tired and I'm laying down, I gotta get every ounce of sleep or whatever I'm doing before it's time for me to go back out. They said I was gonna be tired trying to do 2 jobs. And I was like, I'm gonna be all right. I'm always trying to find a way around everything. Like, I'll be in denial. Denial. But I am definitely tired, and I'm definitely going to get my sleep for the next couple of days while I'm off from work. I'm tired. And I didn't even have a chance to wipe this makeup off my face. I'm gonna worry about that later, but not right now. So on my way to work I go. I'ma always be laughing. Really deep down inside, I'm really crying. Like, I really want to go to fuck to sleep. I'm tired. It look like it's about to pour down. It look like it's about to rain mad heavy. But it's my last day, and then I am free for the next couple of days. So I'm here at work, still with this lipstick on my lips, but I made it here. I'm on time. I'm still tired. This is my 15-minute break, and then back to the hellhole we go. So send help. Hey guys, so y'all seen me do a little shopping with my homegirl yesterday. So now I have to do a little bit of shopping with my son today. We are going to look for his Halloween costume. My son have a personality, and I can just only imagine what he's going to pick for a Halloween costume, but I can't wait to see. Before I can do that, I am definitely about to get dinner started. Start dinner first, and then we're gonna go run our errands. I want you guys to come along with me. Going to the store. Let's see what we're gonna be for Halloween.
How are you guys?
Hello. Come on, let's go get your outfit.